What's up, guys? We're back. We are going to be installing a new LG Billet USA handle. So far I've gotten this part out, but you just got to get a little flat screwdriver. So we're going to see how that works, but got to get this other side out first, and then I think behind this, because it, kind of comes off already. So unscrew this, and then it comes with all our new hardware. So eventually I want to get my headliner black suede. So that's why I went with the machined look, and it kind of matches everything else too that I have. A little bit of chrome-ish, not too much, but just enough. But eventually I want to get the headliner suede black, or black at least, something. So my dream is to have the whole interior just that black color, which would be cool. So let's get this one installed. So looking up here in the headliner, looks like you got to push this clip, that black clip, that way, and then it should pop out. I already kind of bent that thing, but this thing comes with new hardware, so I'm not concerned. But it's on both sides, so it kind of goes in there and just holds it. So I was just like always wondering, like, man, that thing's pretty tough if it, you know, you can pull on it and it holds up. So to get this to go in, so sorry, I'm kind of sick still, but so you're gonna do is put this is how it goes in and holds it. It goes in here, and then you kind of turn it sideways, that way it holds. But to do that first though, is you have to put it through the handle first. That's kind of how I did it right here. Get it through the handle first, and then it's after that you'll see what I'm saying. You put it through the handle first, and then then you put the bolt through, and then hold on, I'll show you. Okay, so now just put it through there. You put it through here first because it won't go obviously through that little hole on here. So put them all in, and then you just put it in there and then start screwing it down. So it shouldn't be too bad, it's pretty easy. So there she is. So one trick and tip is to kind of pull on it while you're screwing it down with your Allen wrench or whatever. Hold it down because it will hold that back piece still, because if you don't, it'll just keep spinning and whatever. So if you put some pressure on it and pull it toward the handle towards you, it will, the backing little thing, whatever, will catch and it'll just stay there. So hold it a little bit as you're twisting it, and then other than that, it looks way better. It's nice, it's sturdy too. But I just can't believe that thing, the stock one, how it's held on it. It's like, dude, you can rip that off easily. I never knew that. So, but there she is.